How to create posters in the Canva app. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with building posters in Canva. So let's get into it. Now, Canva is one of the most popularly used platforms out there right now, and it's popular for a reason. Canva allows you to build such amazing designs in a few different clicks. It's available for free, and the sign up is absolutely free as well. Plus, Canva has also integrated AI-based features. So with those AI-based features, you can really elevate your designs. Now, let's get started with designing on Canva. So to get started, simply head on over to canva.com and log into your account. Once you have logged into your account, you can search for poster over here to see any of the templates that are available for posters. Now, once you take a look at some of the basic poster templates, you can choose to filter out the ones that you like by the filters on the top. You can choose the media style, the category that you want, and the particular filters of subject as well as event. Now, let's say I'm going to go into all filters and I want the templates to be vintage, and I'm going to click on apply over here. Now, I really like this food-based template. It's a really nice template. There's this one over here as well. There's this poster. So let's say I want to build a poster for my new web series or my new social media platform campaign. So let's say I'm campaigning for a new product and I want to use this one. So I'm going to click on use this template, and you will see a pro icon. So if it has a pro icon, it means it's only available on the paid version of Canva. However, you will see all of these templates are available for free. So you can just search for a free template instead. Like this one is available for free. So you can really find a similar appearance in the free templates as well. Now, once you open up the poster template, you can get started with the design of your template. So you can click on any of the text boxes to insert your own text. So let's say this is going to be Meraki, Volume 1, let's say Rose Prince. Now, obviously, my particular text is really long. So I have Rose and then Prince. Now this is way longer than the text that they have used. So what I will do is I will extend the widget like this, and then I'm going to resize it so it fits again. Once I've done that, I can click on the text and just make sure it's centered. Once this has been centered, what I am going to do is I'm going to obviously click on the pre-existing items. So we have the bloom over here. And we're just going to delete all of those. And what we can do, or you can just leave one out and rewrite your particular item. So we have rose prints that we might be launching in our new collection. And I can just resize it to the same font. So this is, I'm going to make both of these 84 size, 84, like this. Now, once this is 84, I can click on the second one as well and choose that to be 84, like this. And now I'm going to place it in the back, and then just do Command C and Command V and just place them all together like this. Now you might say this is a really bad formatting. Obviously this is really bad formatting. We are going to fix that. So we can actually hold these together. We can click on Shift and then just hold these together. And then what you're going to do on the right is click on Space Evenly and click on Tidy Up. This will automatically tidy up all of your elements. And now from here, I can place my product. Obviously, this is not my product, so I'm going to go into Elements or going to go into Uploads and upload my own product image. So let's say that this is our new product. So this is our image that we want to use, like this. Now, this is not actually our image. I'm going to use a product image instead, Rose Clothing. And then I'll just go into Photos. I'll just search for model like this or clothing like this. And I'll find a appropriate image. So let's say this is the image I want to use. Now, once I have taken my image, I want the image to be at the forefront and I want to remove the background. So first off, I'm going to click on the image, and what you can do is you can just click on your entire frame, and then you can go into the layer section, or you can just click on an image and then click on layer, click on bring to front because you want this particular layer to be on the front. So click on layer, you can just click on show all layers, and then just bring this to the front of your canvas. So I can bring it to the front like this. Now I want this to I want this to actually run through some of the text, and some of the text should be visible. I'm going to click on the photo. You can click on edit photo from the top left to begin editing your photo. And I'm going to be using the background remover to remove the background from our image. Once we've done that, we are going to click on, let's say I want the rose prints to appear in front of the person over here, or you can even do a really dynamic effect. And if you want to do that, I'll use an example. So I can delete some of these now. What I can do is I can place it right behind the head. And let's say I want to do, or instead of the text, I'll do something else. Let's say I want to use a hat like this, or maybe, a rose. I'll actually use a rose, and I'll take any illustration from here. So I'll just take this one. Now, once I have my illustration, I'm going to resize the illustration. Now, what I really want is that for this to be behind some of the, person's body and ahead of the hair section. So I'm going to place this like this. So it, is like a really big rose. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on layer, click on send backward. Now, without clicking on anything else, do Command C and then Command V. Place it right above the initial placement of your rose, and don't click on any of the circular icons. Click on the longitudinal icons, and then you can move it a little like this. And what you're basically doing is that you are cropping the image to a certain extent, like this. So whatever is the structuring that you want, let's say I want this to be, like a really creative little appearance like this, and now you have, the person's face on one side, or you can do this on the body as well. Let's say I want this person to be half encapsulated in the rose, so I can just increase the size of the rose, place it right behind her, click on Command C, Command V, place it right over here, crop it till it's half, and now we have this, interesting image appearance. Now, this is totally up to you and how you personally like your style. Now, once you have completed the designing, you can just click on Share on the top right, click on Download, and download this as a PNG. Plus, if you are a pro subscriber on Canva, then you can go ahead and also change the size of your images. So you can click on download and change the pixels of the images as well. Now, this is just the desktop version of Canva. If you are looking to further elevate your designs and you want something that's really on the go, you can actually use Canva for free on your phone as well. Now, if you want to use Canva for free on your phone, I will show you guys how to do that. So what we're going to do, I'll show you guys my phone right now. So this is Canva on our phone. Now, if you don't have the Canva app, simply go on ahead into your Play Store or Google Store and search for Canva over here. Once you search for Canva, click on this and just download this. Once you do, click on open, and you can follow pretty much the same process. Just search for a poster in the templates and find a style of posters that you like. So I want something that's cool for my product, like this one. Or maybe I want something else. So let's say I want to customize this one. So I can click on this. And once I click on the design that I like, I am going to just click on any of the elements I want to change, double click, and let's say this is going to be Rose Print Workshop by whatever person. And if I want to change an element or move an element, I can just drag and drop it. I can click on the plus icon to insert elements. So if I want to add roses in my design, I can just search for roses. And if I want to search an element, I can click on elements, then click on roses over here to find different styles of these elements, images, videos, shapes, whatever you really want. And in this way, you can design on your phone as well. Now, once I have my rose, let's say I want the rose to resize, and I can just resize it like this. If I want to send it behind my text, I can click on the item, click on the three dots, and then I can click on send backward again, and now this has been placed right behind, and you can further customize your design as you'd like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.